Good morning. Sir, are you okay?
He was cleaning again. Until 3 a.m.
Jesus.
I love my wife. I have never loved her or missed her more. What do you got?
Maybe this is a bad time.
Oh, no. No. I need to work. That's all I have. What do you got?
All right, here's the question. Who would murder the oldest man in the world?
I know what the question is, Randy.
Okay, look at this. Book of World Records. Enrico Palamo. He was Italian. He collected yarn. He made the world's biggest ball of yarn. He was murdered 3 years ago, still unsolved.
Well, maybe the world's biggest kitty cat did that.
I think we might have a serial killer on our hands.
Oh, God.
Somebody is killing world record holders, one at a time.
You think we ought to warn the fat twins on the motorcycles? But maybe we ought to put a 24-hour guard on the guy with the beard of bees.
I can never tell when you're being sarcastic.
I'm being sarcastic, Randy. Get the book out of here.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? Mom! I just vacuumed that.
I know.
I'm trying to help out. I'm trying to do my share.
I know. No problem. Just finishing up.
It's finished. The rug is clean.
I know.
Then what's the problem?
The lines in the carpet. See? You went on a diagonal. I like to make a grid. It's no big deal.
You win. I give up.
Excuse me?
You know what I'm gonna do? First thing in the morning, I'm gonna call the Vatican and I'm gonna nominate your late wife, Trudy, for sainthood because you are impossible.
The lines. They're all diagonal. I have to live here!
Forget about the rug! This is not about the rug! Do you know what you are? Do you know what you are? You're the world's best marriage counselor. You could save every marriage in California. All people have to do is live with you for 2 days. 2 days. And they'd never complain about their spouse again.
What are you doing?
I am going home. I'm gonna beg Karen to take me back. I'm gonna beg her to take me back. I'm gonna tell her I am a different man and I will not be lying.
She won't take you back. You haven't seen her movie yet.
It's jungle out there. Disorder and confusion everywhere. No one seems to care. Well, I do. Hey, who's in charge here? It's jungle out